Let's do some 3D animation, at least for the first one. I'll select the two layers, press P to get the position, press R to get the rotation. I'll come to 1 second in the timeline. I will keyframe the position and the Y rotation for both layers. Come to the beginning here. What I would like to do is to give 80 degrees here. Yeah, not bad. And then some 600 here to move it backward. And then hold on the Z axis and put it outside. Simple. That's the first one. Let's look at the other one. We'll give it minus 80 degrees, so it turns the other one. We give it minus 600, so it's going to become bigger. And then we're going to take the Z axis and pull it to the outside. That's your first animation. Let's see our work. First, we shorten our work area, and then we ramp preview. So that's not bad. I can also come to the layer, click on the key point. You see I have a Bezier key point. I can make the changes I want on the motion path. Yes, okay. Let's run a line preview. See, now that's pretty beautiful. This is a 2 key points. You know, the end is two key points animation, and it looks already very good. Let's make some changes. For example, we come to the middle and you bring, for example, the rotation. I bring the rotation in, I press shift to snap, and the rotation here to snap. So actually the rotation will be finishing, then it will continue with the position. Let's run a line preview. That's one way to do it. You can do it the other way also. I would like to manipulate them a bit. Return this one to its place. And now the rotation, we'll put it in the middle. Let's be a bit precise. 15 frames will be better. Of course, you can do whatever you want, and it's always nice for the first animation. Then let's take all the keyframes, the last keyframes, the landing ones, and go to keyframe assistant and say easy in. Let's run a line preview. Not bad. Congratulations for your first animation. That looks very good. In less than 15 minutes, you are already animating in 3D, and you are animating very well in 3D. Please, now you have an exercise to do. Do the exercise in the next lecture and start training how to do 3D animations.